Welcome to your own channel of Right Funda. Here is another conceptual questions from electrostatics. A positively charged disk is placed on a horizontal plane and a charged particle is released from a certain height on its axis. The particle just reaches the center of the disk. Select the correct alternatives. Question is asking whether particle has a negative charge on it. Total potential energy, gravitational electrostatic of the particle first increases then decreases. Total potential of the particle first decreases then increases, or total potential energy of the particle continuously decreases. So we'll try to understand the question. Then there is a disk like this, and in this disk, above the disk, we put another charged particle here. So at some height we put the charged particle. So when we release, then it is just able to touch this one, just able to reach up to this. So what should happen if this is positively charged particle is there, q is by positive charge, so and this is also, this is negative charge, then this would have come accelerated downward. It should be attracted towards this. Gravity also pulling downwards, and this electrostatic force of pull later. So both it will come here. Not the question of just able to reach. You should come with an hit it with some velocity. So this cannot be negative. This has to be a positive charge particle. So this option becomes wrong. Then this is total potential energy. What happened to total potential? Let's see what must be happening here. What must be happening is that what are the forces acting? एक तो हो गया mg लग रहा है, and there is electrostatic force there, repulsive force between these two. So if it is coming downward, suppose electrostatic force were more than mg, then it would have gone away. So definitely the gravitational force must be greater than the initial electrostatic force. So the net force on the particle at initial moment must be in the downward directions. But as it comes nearby, what happens? Gravitational force remains same, but electrostatic force increases. So first it will be accelerated downward. At some point here, what happens? The acceleration will be equal to 0. After that, acceleration will be in the negative direction. So what happens? From here to here, velocity increases. Here velocity becomes maximum, and after that velocity again decreases from here to here. So if it's the kinetic energy, from here to here kinetic energy increases, then kinetic energy decreases. But we know the total energy is constant, kinetic plus potential. So as kinetic increases, potential must decrease. So here to here potential energy must decrease, then here to here potential energy must increase. So but the C option says the potential energy first increases then decreases. No, this happens kinetic energy. So potentially what happens? Potentially the particle first decreases then increases. Fourth option says that the total potential of the particle continuously decreases. No. Potential is not continuously decreasing. Potential energy is first decreasing, then increasing. Kinetic energy is first increasing, then decreasing. This is the question we discuss of